This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, January the 9th, 2013. And now, our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at noon today. We have the upper level low moving out of Mexico into South Texas, another system moving across the Great Lakes, and another moving into the Pacific Northwest, but it's that one over Texas that'll be the one to watch, with some showers and maybe a rumble of thunder down there up into the mid-south. Around here it still stays warm with highs in the 30s to mainly 40s across the state. Thursday we see some increasing clouds with some late day rain. The GFS is slightly slower, keeping the rain still from the Iowa-Missouri border southward here at noon Thursday, with highs in the 40s. And then that moves through Friday. Friday we'll see some lingering rain. Then we have another low in eastern Colorado, and this will be quickly moving through, bringing a lot of the snowfall to the north and west of that low, north and west of the state, keeping us mainly dry on Friday night into Saturday. We can't rule out a flurry or a rain-snow mix, but temperatures turn sharply cooler. Highs Saturday dropping to the 20s, staying that way Sunday as the front east of the state stalls, of all things, just keeping us in the cold weather longer. Sunday will be fairly breezy, highs in the teens and 20s. Monday, we have the system to our south and east just stalling, another wave starting to form along it with some rain, snow in Oklahoma and Kansas. We need to watch that. That may scrape the southeastern counties here. Monday night into early Tuesday. As Tuesday the storm finally starts to move, but the cold air is still around, highs in the teens and 20s. Dependent on snow cover, there won't be that much left. And by a week from today, that trough axis will finally start to move through, and that'll kick that storm that's east of the state further to the east and start to move this cold air that is over us to start it moving along. And you can see there's the storm system off to our east. Maybe a little bit of snow with the trough axis moving through, but it's not going to amount to more than a few flurries or a light snow shower or so. A couple days later on the 20th, well, we don't have a trough axis and we don't have a big, huge trough anymore. More of a zonal flow, trough over the New England states and eastern Great Lakes. But this is going to keep temperatures, well, back toward seasonal and even above seasonal levels as we start to warm back up. Winds back out of the south again, so we could see temperatures back above freezing again after about a week of very cold weather. And at the end of the forecast on the 24th, we have a trough axis just to our east, another off the Pacific coast. Otherwise fairly zonal and progressive, and we have a system moving east of the state, more cold air coming down, not overly cold though, seasonal cold, and some rain and snow off to our west and off to our east as well. The satellite image from last evening, we have a small weak disturbance moving through the Great Lakes as we mentioned before. The storm off to the southwest with Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma with clouds, showers, and a little bit of thunder, and a new storm moving into the northwest. The watch warning map from last evening, a flood watch over East Texas, most of Louisiana, western Mississippi, southeast Oklahoma, and southern Arkansas, and some winter weather issues with the cold air diving into the west over that part of the country. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock, showing the heaviest amounts of rain between 4 and maybe 7 inches across Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas, with maybe upwards of a quarter inch west to an inch east.